Every morning, the sun rises. It's been doing that for 4.6 billion years. But one day, it won't. The sun will die. And when it does, everything we've ever known, every city, every ocean, every memory humanity has ever made will be gone. This is how it ends. Right now, the sun is in what scientists call the main sequence phase. It's been burning hydrogen for 4.6 billion years, and it has about 5 billion more to go. That sounds like forever, but in cosmic terms, the clock is already ticking. Inside the sun's core, hydrogen atoms are constantly fusing into helium, releasing the energy that gives us light, warmth, and life. But hydrogen is not infinite, and when it runs out, everything changes. About 5 billion years from now, the hydrogen in the sun's core will run out, and the sun will do something terrifying. It will start to expand, slowly at first. Then faster, it will grow so enormous that it swallows Mercury. Then Venus. It will become what astronomers call a red giant, a dying star bloating outward in its final desperate burn. Earth may physically survive, but life won't. The oceans will boil away. The atmosphere will be stripped off by solar radiation. The sky will turn red. Then, black, what was once a blue living planet, will become a scorched, airless rock, drifting silently through a dying solar system. With hydrogen gone, the sun's core collapses, but then something explosive happens. The pressure gets so high that helium itself starts to fuse. Scientists call this the helium flash. It releases more energy in a few seconds than the sun puts out in millions of years. You wouldn't see it from outside, but inside, it's the most violent moment in the sun's entire life. After the helium runs out too, the sun can no longer hold itself together. Its outer layers, all that gas, all that energy, slowly drift away into space. They spread out into a glowing cloud of color called a planetary nebula. It's one of the most beautiful things in the universe. A dying star painting the cosmos in its final. When the nebula clears, what's left behind is tiny, dense, brilliant white. This is a white dwarf, the sun's dead core. The size of Earth, still carrying the mass of the sun. It will glow for billions of years, slowly, quietly cooling, like an ember that refuses to go out. Eventually, over trillions of years, it will fade completely into a cold, dark object called a black dwarf. The sun, completely silent. Here's what most people don't realize. We don't have 5 billion years. Just 1 billion years from now, the sun will be bright enough to boil Earth's oceans. Life as we know it will be gone long before the sun becomes a red giant. The real deadline. The deadline for humanity is much sooner than you think. But here's the beautiful truth. When the sun dies and its gas spreads across space, that material will eventually become something new. New stars, new planets, maybe even new life. The sun won't just end, it will become the beginning of something else. Death in space is never really the end.